There is a lot of ways you can make money online, whether passive or active. So it depends with what kind of income you're making or you're looking to make in general. If you're coming across my video for the first time, I share information matters, relocation abroad, either to work, for study, or for conferences. And I also share information where you can make money online, either passively or actively. I want us to specifically look at how you can make money online watching surveys, or rather how you can make money to do paid surveys, and how you can go through around it, because there are a lot of times people are always sharing information, not showing you in depth how you can make money online, how you can navigate these websites, and people are making money online. The only problem is that most of the time when you're starting out, you do not know how to go about it. You do not know what kind of websites you're looking for, because there are different kind of ways you can make money online. And there is also a thing that or two you need to know is some of these countries will pay you lower compared to other countries. I want to share with you at least today two that will pay you to do paid surveys, or to have paid surveys. And these are companies that will pay you from wherever you are in the world. So if you're watching this and you're African and you do not know where to start, then do not run away. This is a good one and you're going to love this one. The other maybe upside that maybe mostly you'll find is that maybe when you're doing some of these tasks, you're not paid a lot of money. You're paid actually in cents. So you need to work a lot for you to be able to make quite around 50 or 100 USD. Is it doable? Yes. Will it take a lot of time? Yes. As I said, when you're starting, you'll need to know and learn a lot in terms of where and how you can make money online. I'll be trying as much as I can over the next period of 1 or 2 months. Be sharing at least one video daily on platforms and how you can be able to make money online. So if you're new here, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. Please do remember, if you have not subscribed, to do so down below. All the information definitely I share on my videos is always linked down below on the description box. So the first website we are going to look at is Toloka. Toloka is a very good website, very much talk about if you're a beginner and you want, or rather if you want to make passive income online as a beginner, this is a very good app for you. Reason because it is not going to pay you a lot in terms of the tasks that you're going to complete, because as I said, some of them or most of the tasks in an app like Toloka is going to pay you in cents. So you'll find yourself having to commit quite a lot of time for you to be able to make at least 10 bucks in a week, or around 3 or 4 days. What also that means is you need to dedicate quite a lot of time with you. Myself, I tell people, if you're starting this kind of jobs and you are working a 9-to-5 job, or you have another job, it is okay to do these jobs mostly at your own free time. At least dedicate 2 or 3 hours a day, so that at least you get something substantial and you do not give up. So the reason why this is a very good app is because, as I said, 1, it is beginner friendly. 2, you can work from anywhere you are in the world. So if you're in Africa, Nigeria, Kenya, South Africa, Uganda, Tanzania, Zimbabwe, Cameroon, and you're wondering, is this app friendly for you? Very friendly. You can withdraw from PayPal, and goes a long way. As I say, the only upside is that when you're starting, the tasks pay less. The advantage of that is when you grow in 2 or 3 months, depending on the kind of work and hours you've been putting in, they'll send you surveys that are paying well. The second app we are going to look at is definitely Timebucks. Timebucks is also one of my favorite, and that is because Toloka and Timebucks is where I started my money passive money making career when I was back at home in Kenya, and it comes very in handy. Also, just like Toloka does not pay quite a huge amount of money when you're starting based on each and every tasks you perform. I am going to leave them both links of Toloka and my referral link on Timebucks. Reason because I do not work on Toloka anymore. I got other better apps that are paying, but it is a very beginner friendly app. Also, I'm not very active right now on Timebucks because I also have other websites I'll be sharing with you. Otherwise, you can make more money as you advance, but these ones are very good ones that you can start with. One of the best to work with also is Timebucks, because you can work from also anywhere in the world. A lot of students are here making a lot of money, passive income, just because they are actually putting in the work and they make an extra coin. The surveys are linked here, or rather when you go through there, both of their websites, you'll find the surveys and all the tasks that are need to be completed. The only thing that you need to do is click on the tasks that you want to complete, and then based on what you want to do, you can perform the task. Like if you click on this task, it is called push clicks. In this task, you'll get paid to click on a link every 2 hours from browser notifications. How much you get paid? You'll get paid 0.5% of yesterday's earnings for every click. This means the more money you earn in the previous day, the more money you'll earn for each push-up click. For example, if yesterday you made 10 USD, you'll get 0.05 per click. If you haven't earned anything yesterday, you'll still earn a minimum of 0.02 USD per click. There is 1 in 1,000 chance you'll get 1. There is 1 in 5,000 chance you'll get 5 USD. So as I say, there goes a lot of information. Does it require for you to do a lot of work or to put in a lot of hours? Yes, that is why I said for you at least to be able to make a substantial anywhere between 10 USD to 20 USD. It requires at least a minimum of 3 hours to 5 hours per day to be able to make something substantial. But the advantage of this website is that the more you put in the work, the more they send your way better paying surveys and a better paying task for you to perform. Please do remember to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment if you have any, and until next time, be safe, enjoy the rest of the video, and bye.